Cool. I'm Jao. Today we're here at the Tate Britain.
Yeah, and MSA.
What were your thoughts on seeing Steve McQueen's Year 3 project?
It was different because it was a lot to do with like photography and stuff, and it was like I expected to see like paintings, which we did, but it was different to what I thought.
I find it really cool just to see how, I don't know, it was something really pleasing just seeing a bunch of just like our young people around the country just all together like one big gallery. Something really heartwarming about that. Walking around, it seemed really grand. I feel like the building fits the paintings. The paintings feel are quite prestige, and I feel the building, walking around it, it's really fitting for it and sets the mood.
I had fun listening to how everyone on like the senior management team, so like the person who's like in charge of looking at like merchandise products and how to like import them, what the best way is, sustainability and stuff. It was fun listening to how they got around their jobs.
I find it really insightful because the things that they studied wasn't the things they ultimately did at the end. And seeing how flexible you can be with your career choices was really eye-opening.
It was unexpected seeing how their beginnings were like much different to, like they weren't that big. They were only like part-time small jobs here and there, which eventually got them to where they are now, which is kind of inspiring because like I know me, I'm gonna start off with small-time jobs as well, and then that kind of gives me hope that I will make it somewhere one day.
It was I like that there was quite a lot of jobs in the Tate. I find that quite cool that you can always find something somewhere like how you fit in here with the skills that you have.
Tell me a bit about what it's like seeing Turner. Have you seen any of his work in real life?
Not really. To be fair, I haven't. I heard a bit about Turner before, but like I didn't know as much detail as I do today. And it was fun seeing his different artworks, how he was like motivated with different, like what different things were happening in his life.
We always talk about Turner and art, but I've never actually seen his art in real life. And I feel what was really cool about it is seeing the brushstrokes. You don't really see that through the screen of the computer, but seeing that in real life, you can really see the technique that he has in his artwork.
I like looking at the modern art because there was a lot of. It was simple, but then there was a lot of like deeper meaning behind it. So I did like looking at that.
The range of artwork was really nice. You can always find something. Also, the fact that the gift shop was actually versatile and had things that weren't affordable and were actually really cool and useful. I found that really cool.